Greetings citizens of the world. What's up, hackers and fan testers? 𝗵𝗲𝗿 here back again with other useful video. So, today in this video, we will learn the full use of 𝗵𝗲𝗿, as we will learn the proper use of 𝗵𝗲𝗿. So the video may be longer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, let's know how to use the Linux command line on Android with 𝗵𝗲𝗿. Android is a capable operating system, as it offers many apps that approach desktop class, yet sometimes, it takes a fair bit of effort to accomplish something on Android that would be a snap on a desktop. One solution is to take advantage of Android's hidden Linux infrastructure. The 𝗵𝗲𝗿 app provides a command line environment and allows you to install honest-to-goodness Linux apps on your Android device. 𝗵𝗲𝗿 is a great terminal emulator that allows access to advanced tools, without root on your Android phone. 𝗵𝗲𝗿 is a command line based application, and to use this app, the most basic thing you should know. In this video we are going to learn about most basic commands in the 𝗵𝗲𝗿 app. You can run this command in a sequence to practice and know yourself how these commands work on 𝗵𝗲𝗿. If you have any questions or ideas, please comment, I will be happy to help you. If you know all the command below, you can easily navigate in 𝗵𝗲𝗿, and please practice this command so you can learn more advanced stuff more easily. If you wanna know why you must learn 𝗵𝗲𝗿, then check this video, link in description. Here's how to use the 𝗵𝗲𝗿 app. Open Google Play Store and install 𝗵𝗲𝗿 if you didn't installed. After successfully installed, open it. Update all the packages and dependencies installed on the system by typing apt update and apt upgrade. If any update is available, it will ask you on the terminal if you want to upgrade or not. Press Y if you want the update. Grant storage permission. Type 𝗵𝗿𝗿 setup storage, then you will see a pop-up notification. Click on allow. Now you can access your storage and all the folder in it using 𝗵𝗿𝗿. Know which directory you are in. Type pwd on your terminal. This command will tell you your present working directory. cd command allows you to move in another directory. Just type cd in the directory name you wanna move. Here I am moving an SD card. Here you can see my SD card. Copy a file from one directory to another directory. You can copy files by typing cp space the file name, and after giving a space you can type the path where you wanna copy the file, as you can see an example in my terminal. By typing cd space ... you will go back in the directory you were in. If you want to clear your terminal, just simply type clear and hit enter. Create a folder or a directory. 𝗵𝗂𝗍𝗍 stand for make directory. Type 𝗵𝗂𝗍𝗍 and give a space and type folder name and press enter. To see the folder you have just created, then just type ls. Delete directory or folder in 𝗵𝗿𝗿. Please use this command with caution. This command will remove a folder and all the files and folders within it. This command is useful when you want to delete any project downloaded from GitHub. List all the available packages in 𝗵𝗿𝗿. If you want to see all the packages that are available in the apt repository of 𝗵𝗿𝗿, then just type apt list. Here you can see lots of packages available. You can install any package from here by just typing apt space install space your package name. You can install any package from the list. Just type ppkg install package name. For example, I am installing git package. You can install any package from the list. Just type ppkg and install package name. It will ask you where if you want to delete the package or not. Press Y, and the package will be uninstalled. If you want to download any project from the GitHub, you can just use the above. Just change the link of the project with your link. If you want to open a new session, just swipe right, and if you want to create a txt file in 𝗵𝗃, then just type touch space file name.txt. If you want to edit any txt file, then just type nano space your txt file name, then edit your txt file and save it by using Ctrl+X. If you want to read any txt file, then just type cat space your txt file name. If you want to remove any single file, then just type rm space file name. This command will help to remove any file. If you want to show any package details, then type this command, apt space show space package name. This command will show you about of that package. If you want to exit from 𝗵𝗃, then type exit command. This command will kill your session. If you want to access your SD card, then type cd /SD card. If you want to see your hidden files in 𝗵𝗃, then type ls/a. If you want to see your file details in 𝗵𝗃, then type ls-lh. This command will show you all the file details available in the current directory. If you want to see your current date in 𝗵𝗃, then type date command. This command will show you current date. And if you want to see calendar in 𝗵𝗃, then type cal command. By using this command, you can see calendar. Type who am I in 𝗵𝗃. This command will show your login name. To see your display memory and swap usage, use free command. This command will show your display memory and swap usage. If you want to move any file your present directory from anywhere, then type mv space file name space and path where you want to move it. To back home directory from anywhere, then use cd command. Use ifconfig command for shows all configuration and network interface like IP, MAC, and netstat command used for review network connection. uname, a command used to display kernel information. I hope you understand how to use 𝗵𝗃 commands and which commands are used for what purpose. Not only these, there are many other commands, but it is not possible to teach everything in one day. If you keep practicing these regularly, then you will see that there will be no problem in using your 𝗵𝗃s. Bye. See you in the next amazing video.